How to fix caller ID disabled in Truecaller. I am going to show you how you can easily fix the caller ID disabled in Truecaller. The quickest method to get rid of the caller ID disabled notification in Truecaller is to configure its in-app settings to enable the live caller ID feature. Launch the Truecaller app and tap the three-dot icon from the top right corner to access settings. Next, go to caller ID, tap the Enable button to activate the caller ID, and remove the persistent caller ID disabled notification from your status bar. Now restart the app to verify if the problem is fixed. The battery optimization feature on your phone has the capability to suppress unnecessary app notifications to provide an extra boost to your battery life. This in turn might create issues for apps like Truecaller that rely on providing pop-up caller ID alerts for incoming calls. Open the Settings app on your phone and tap on Battery. Next, tap the Background Power Consumption Management or Battery Management option to configure it. Finally, locate the Truecaller app from the list and set it to Don't Restrict Background Power Usage to get Caller ID Disabled error on your phone.